travelers, welcome to Trip with Mari. If you are new to my channel, I revisit some of my fun and exciting times during my travel while I help you out on yours. Today's video is going to be about my trip to Mexico City that I did solo. I spent approximately 6 full days there, and I'm going to show you all the things that I did. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right down there. All right, day one. Because it was the holiday season, Christmas, New Year's time, I did take a big layover to save some money. So I was tired as hell getting into Mexico City. I'm not gonna lie, but I was proud of myself because I rallied. Yay. The hotel I did decide to stay in was Hotel Casablanca, found in the Reforma area. I found it on hotels.com. If you do want to see the full review of that hotel, I do have a separate video that you can find on my channel, and I'll also put the card in here as well. But basically, it is in the Reforma area. So I did a little research, and apparently the Reforma area was best for tourists. There's also the Roma area and other areas within Mexico City because Mexico City is really big. But because I am solo traveling, I wanted to stay in an area where a lot of tourists were. So one, I could find people like-minded like me, but also for me to feel a little bit more comfortable since I am traveling by myself. But I did end up staying in the Roma Norte area for like food and other areas like that. So I decided to wash my butt and then go get ready for my first excursion, which was a tortilla making and salsa class that I found on Airbnb. And when I mean this was an experience, it was an experience. I enjoyed myself, and I was definitely sipping on some wine, but I learned how to make salsa and tortillas.
Can you recognize any variety of chiles here? Jalapenos? Jalapenos, yes. Serranos, sí.
So this is me being a sous-chef, y'all. Don't judge me with my paying attention look, because I was really trying to make sure that I did not burn or accidentally cook things incorrectly. So this is me really focused on what I need to do.
Cherry or those, slightly sweeter. But yeah, you can use them. Yes, onion and garlic as well. And probably you will notice the tomatoes start dancing and wiggle. That's normal, don't worry. They might fall, and then you want to put them back in the original position. And I want to find some tools for you guys.
Alright, day two, I was up bright and early for my free walking tour. So this is quick game. If you want to know how to navigate a city or an area, go find a free walking tour. So free walking tours are really a great suggestion to learn about an area and to learn about good spots to go to. And you can pay however you want. Then I headed over to Macompa Chava, and it was a wait, but they do give you chips and stuff. But I was mad because by the time I got there, my stomach was so full, I guess, from waiting. I didn't even eat that much, but I tried my best because, the TikTok said this was a good place to go to eat. And as a pescatarian, we love a place that serves seafood. So I got two things. I got this, which was really good. I believe it was a blowfish or something, but it was a fried fish taco, and it was delicious. Then I got this ceviche tostado, which was really good with tuna. Then to waste time, I decided to go to the park and read a book and just chill out a little bit, hang out with the locals and see what the locals do. I saw these men playing this, it looked like this hip soccer sport. But come to find out, near El Parque, Mexico was an El Muro churro. Once again, the TikToks told me that you should go here, try the churro, made fresh, and fun fact, these churros are vegan. So I was like, yes, give me sugar, yes, give me cinnamon, and it was good. So I headed over to a Lucha Libre match. I did not know what to expect, to be honest, but it definitely was giving WWE Raw. And fun fact, I didn't know women were Lucha Libres as well, so that was good for me to know. But when I mean I did not know what was going on, I was clueless, y'all. I had no idea, just dancing to the music. Day 3. Day 3, we headed over to Coyoacán, the area where Frida Kahlo was born and raised, and then moved back with her husband. We did a little tour before we went to the museum. While we were walking around, we found crickets for sale and...
Christina, where are you? Christina, come back and...
I think she already did it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Not bad.
All right.
Would have been worse.
I ate a cricket. Like, that happened. Like, we did that. So then we headed over to Frida Kahlo's house. Casa Azul is also what it is named because it's blue. And it was really, really interesting to see how her and her husband, Diego Rivera, lived, and their studio, as well as other interesting facts to learn about her. My favorite part of the museum was seeing her clothes collection. So after I took a nap, I decided to go eat at a place that is purely vegan. And when I mean that green juice saved my life, I didn't know how bloated I was, and that green juice saved me. TMI, but I don't care. Day 4. So my 4th day, I headed over to Tolantongo, which is a natural hot springs as well as a national state park. So it is free or reduced price for Mexican residents, and it was a vibe. The waters are really beautiful. I think it gets up to like 100 degrees Fahrenheit in these man-made kind of like mini pools. And there's also a waterfall that you go inside the cave and you see stalagmites and stalactites, I believe that's what you call it. The stuff from up and the stuff from down. And then it's like a big long river. I won't lie, it is very rocky. I did hurt my feet, so be careful. Then, based off of a recommendation of some beautiful ladies that I met at the hot springs, I went to Animal, and I ended up meeting up with them later because they raved about the place, and it was really good. I'm not gonna lie. And they ended up coming back for a second time as well, so I ended up hanging out with them later on that night. That is their meat, not mine. Don't eat meat. So during day 5, I decided to go to Chapultepec Castle and Park. So I did not know that it was actually a national history museum, but it was a great surprise. So fun fact, I used to be a history teacher, so I love learning about history. And also what I enjoy is that everything is in Spanish. I like that this is a place for the Mexican people, by the Mexican people, and I definitely was using my translator to figure out what the heck was this art or this piece of historical artifact that I was looking at. But it is really gorgeous. I saw a lot of people taking pictures and doing photo shoots. That's how gorgeous this castle is. Then I literally stumbled upon this place, Campo Mar, and when I mean the meal was mealing, the shrimp and the pasta were delicious. Very simple but amazing. And then I headed up and met with the girls that I met the day before to celebrate the New Year. Oh yeah, I was there during New Year. So this was my last full day, and if you know me, we love a spa, so I definitely wanted to relax and enjoy myself before I hit on the flight the next day. So I decided to get a scrub as well as a 30-minute massage, and then I met up with the girls again, and we had dinner at this random, or lunch rather, at this random place. It was delicious, and then I headed home. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Please put down any questions that you have about Mexico City. This has been my second-ish time there, and like I said, I spent 6 days. I really enjoy it. I really had an amazing, great time, and I can't stop speaking Mexico City's praises. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you. Bye!